Alright, so I'm going to do a remake video of my 36-inch SMC Laguna Ceiling Fan, model number KB36. It is dated of August of 1987. It's a brown finish. Also, the reason why I posted on the group about, why it wasn't working, and I'll tell you why. It was because of reverse switch. I had it like right in the middle. Like if I did this is what happened. See? That's what it did. So I just put it down, and it clicked on. So yeah. Got this at Habitat for $10, along with the design house that you guys seen on the other video, and show you close-ups. Brown motor, and this guy's on pull chain. There's the stencil that I really like, and it's plain oak on the other side. So yeah, we'll go ahead and start the fan on low. Motor is noisy. It's got a loud bearing noise. Never got a chance to oil it, but may need to sometime. And here's medium. And here's high speed. And you can really hear the motor from the bearings. At least I think it is. And I'll show you the airflow. And I'll have you hear the motor. And it does wobble. So I think the blades are a little unbalanced, but it does move air though. She's just noisy though. That's all it is. I'll go ahead and turn it off. Do a spin down. The last video you guys seen, I had it installed in I was living with my roommates in I think 2012, 2013, and in the bedroom for my other last video. But I thought I'd do a redo video for this in the garage, and so yeah. I do like the looks of this fan. I absolutely love Laguna, especially the older ones. The ones with the badges on them, KB52s, are a childhood fan. I'd like to find one of those someday. I think we'll go ahead and stop because I don't know how much memory I'll have on my camera, but yeah. So anyway, there's your 36-inch SMC Laguna KB36 ceiling fan, and hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.